Welcome to Crochet Basics with Melissa from C. Melissa Craft and a Crafter's Paradise. For all my project patterns, tutorials, tips, and tricks, please visit cmelissacraft.com. For all my project kits and supplies, please visit acraftersparadise.com. I'm going to show you how to single crochet into my version of a magic circle. It's a little different than some of the other methods out there, but I believe starting with a double loop creates a more secure start for your tail.
To start with, we have our yarn. You take the tail end, you hold it between your thumb and your forefinger, you wrap the yarn around once, twice. Now you're going to pinch and grab where they intersect. So you can see you have a circle here with two loops on it, your tail end, your working end. To begin, we're going to insert our hook into the circle. It helps to just hold the circle steady on here with this forefinger. We're going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. So we're just doing a chain one to start our stitches in this magic circle. Now we're going to single crochet 8 into the circle. You insert your hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. That's one single crochet, hook in, yarn over, loop up, yarn over, loop through 2. Hook into the circle, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do that 5 more times. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now comes the magic of the magic circle. We're going to take our tail here. We're going to pull on it very gently to see which side is connected. So you can see that this is pulling this loop right here. So if I do that again very gently, you can see that this is starting to pull in. So we actually want to grab the opposite side of where it's pulling on the tail, and we're going to pull it tight. So we're going to pull up this loop, which would be the inside loop. You don't want to do this one too tight because you'll distort that first stitch in your magic circle. So we've started closing up the circle here, and then we pull on this tail. And we pull it tight. And now you're left with a magic circle with no hole in the center with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And to finish, we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet. So that would be this one right here. It does get a little tight, so you just might have to kind of work into the front part of the loop, work into the back part, and then perform a slip stitch. So you're going to pull through that stitch and pull through the loop on your hook. So now you've finished your magic circle with 8 single crochets.